Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can integrate WhatsApp with your Zoho CRM account and platform. So let's get right into it. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do once you're logged into Zoho is go into Setup, and then under Channels, you're going to go into Business Messaging. Here you're going to find WhatsApp, which is pretty much the only option you have. Then click on Details, and then click on Integrate. Then you're going to need to enable once this pops up. And as you can see, you need a verified Facebook Business Manager account, a WhatsApp business account, and a registered phone number to associate with your business account. Then just click Enable, and it's going to ask you to log in to your Facebook business account, which I will not be doing. So I'm going to go ahead and go through this guide. And now I do not have a verified business account on Facebook, nor do I have a WhatsApp business account, which is why I need to show you this. But yeah, then you need to, of course, integrate. Then in the access request page, log into your Facebook Business Manager account, then click Get Started, click Continue to give permission, and create a new account or select an existing one. You can create an account here if you don't have it. Then you need to create a business account or select a business account you already have for WhatsApp. Then click Continue, then create a business profile or select another one that you already have. Click Continue. Then you need to verify your number. You will get an SMS message which will ask you to confirm everything. Then you need to click OK on the next screen, and then on the Configure WhatsApp Business Profile CRM, you're going to need to provide a nickname for the business profile, then select a phone number to be associated with it, then provide a nickname for the profile in CRM and click Next. Then provide the account preferences, choosing from the drop-down options. You can choose add leads or contacts, then assign to users, groups, or roles, and choose the users, groups, or role. And after you do that, you just need to click save, and that is basically all it takes to integrate it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.